how to watch Instagram story after 30 days. Well, this is really easy thing to do. You have to just open your Instagram here, and once it get open, in the bottom right side corner you will see a profile icon, right? So basically, if you don't know, Instagram story is just for 24 hours. It means for one day. You just cannot watch a story after 24 hours, right? But still, I will show you a legit way. On the top right, go and click on the three lines, and here you will get this option of your activity. So here, let it just open right now, and here this is your activity, and basically you will get an option of archived. So click on open it up. Make sure you have selected the story archives here. So whichever story you have added in your Instagram till the account you have open, it will show here. For example, you can just check this. I added the story on 19 Feb, right? And still I can just click and view the story exactly same, right? Same goes for this. I added the story for 7 March. It's been more than 2 months, right? It's 60 days, and still I can just view and see the story. I can see that who was the story from where. So this is very interesting and easy. I hope you found this video very useful.